So the next question is construct a triangle PQR whose perimeter is equal to 14 centimeter, angle P is equal to 45 degree and angle Q is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so ignore this. Okay, I don't want to waste paper, so I'm doing it over here. Okay, so you can concentrate on the right hand side of it. So the perimeter is given as 14 centimeter. So that is the first information which we have. So what you will do is you will draw a line. Okay, so I hope it is visible. Yeah, so I'll draw a line segment basically of 14 centimeter. Okay, so this is 14 centimeter. Let me call it as A and B because our triangle is PQR, so I can take as A and B. So this is not part of the triangle. Okay, so A and B is a separate thing, so we will get triangle afterwards. So first I'll draw this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 45 degree angles and 60 degree angle, okay, on either side. So let's draw 45 here. So this time I'm using protractor instead of the compass, but I hope you know how to make a 45 degree using a compass as well. Okay, now why I'm using a protractor is because this will have a lot of angle bisectors, perpendicular bisectors and arcs. So don't want to, kind of mess things up. Okay, so this is my 45 degree. So pretty easy, right? And I think this was 60, right? Yeah, so this is 60. So since you're keeping it on the right hand side, right, these tricks, you have to start from the left hand side. So 60 degrees over here. Okay, so okay, and wherever it meets, okay, so if you look at here, okay, wherever it meets, okay, let's call it as point C. Now what you're going to do is you will be actually bisecting your 45 degree angle. So if you remember, this was 45 degree, correct? This was 60 degrees. Now bisect it. So now you understood why I didn't use compass to make 60 degree and 45 degree, because this will have a lot of arcs and things like that. So it will become a little bit messy. So that's the reason I've used protractor. So let's bisect 45 degree. So you know how to bisect it, right? So let's bisect it. So take any suitable measurement, draw an arc, then keep one point here, this one, and this one. Same thing with 60 degree. So an arc, point here, yeah. Okay, and then let's draw their angle bisectors. Okay, now the best part is wherever this angle bisectors meet, okay, that is actually my point R. Okay, so that means my point P and my point Q will be somewhere over here. It will be always next to those angles. If you remember, angle P was 45 and angle Q was 60, right? So it will be over here. So let's find angle P and angle Q. Now to find angle P and angle Q, you will have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AR and BR. So let's do that as well. So perpendicular bisectors. So people, you can continue, you know how to do it, right? So pointer at R, more than half, an arc here, another arc here. Same way I'm going to keep it on A, here, and here. Okay, so again I may have to, yeah, same thing over here as well. So take more than half, one arc, this one, and I'm going to keep it over here, this one, the other one is this. So let's extend this, yeah, and then just make the perpendicular bisectors. So I think you have seen how many arcs we have. Okay, so wherever this perpendicular bisector and this this line segment, okay, the intersection of that will be called as point P, and this point will be your point Q, which is the intersection of this perpendicular bisector and this line. Okay, and then it's pretty easy, just join this and this with this. So PQR is your required triangle. If you want, you can just make it little bit dark, not too much, so that your teacher can see it clearly. So P, Q and R. That's it. That's how you do it. Okay, bye bye.